I'm Clea Adair, and I own Smith Lake Farm, a 93-acre lakefront farm with glamping and a beautiful lake you can swim in, a sauna you can enjoy while you are here on this amazing retreat that we are hosting.
Hi, I'm Sierra, and I am the owner of Cultivate Roots, which is a private holistic catering and nutrition business. And I'll be offering the nourishment for the weekend for the breakfast and dinners, and I'll be working with beautiful organic local produce and inspiring you to leave feeling well and also headed home with some ideas.
Hi, I'm Annabelle King. I'm going to be giving a marketing workshop at the uBlossom retreat. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to show you how to build a marketing plan that you can bring back to your business. You should join us on retreat. It's going to be fabulous.
Hi, I'm Liz Wotton. I own Human Nature Development, and I'm going to be running a workshop on dealing with difficult emotions at work and how that relates to improving your wellness. I'm super excited. I hope you can join us at uBlossom Retreat in June. I can't wait.
Hi, I'm Jody Kaziki. I own Karuna Magic and Sound. I am a Tibetan singing bowl therapist, and I am super excited to be offering a sound bath at the uBlossom retreat. I hope you can join us.
Hey everybody, my name is Denise Harris. I am the founder of uBlossom, an online community for women that helps integrate self-care into our daily lives. We have lots of different programs that we offer, including a retreat that's coming up. I hope you'll join us for the first weekend in June. I will be hosting the retreat along with facilitating 2 incredible workshops. The first workshop is all about life-work integration. So there'll be lots of tools that we're going to discuss on how to integrate self-care into our daily lives, into our work lives, really sort of just kind of moving away from the thought of, work being over here and life being over here, and really trying to integrate everything so that we can live our most fullest, wholest lives. And the second workshop, which is going to piggyback off that, is a beautiful workshop on resilience, how we can cultivate that so that we can it can support our life work integration. And building resilience is not, it's about having courage, but it's also about having the courage to look within and to notice and be aware. I'm also going to be leading you through lots of meditation workshops. I'm a Chopra certified meditation instructor as well. So I hope you join us. We have an amazing weekend plan for you. You can check out all the information, the itinerary, all the speakers on the website. So please join us. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.